Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make buffalo wings. So let's get started. I've got here 12 chicken wings, some oil for frying, 1 cup of plain flour, 1/3 cup of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of hot chili powder, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. For my buffalo sauce, I've got here 1 cup of sweet chili sauce, 4 teaspoons of butter chopped, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and half a teaspoon of hot chili powder. To prepare your wings, take one wing at a time, cut at the joints and discard the tips. Repeat this with the remaining wings. I have finished cutting up all the wings at the joints. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2/3 of the garlic powder, 2/3 of the black pepper, all the chili powder and all the paprika. Mix it well to coat all the pieces and put it aside. Now take your plain flour, add your corn flour and give it a quick mix. Add remaining garlic powder and black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt and give it a quick mix again. Now it's time to coat our chicken wings. Take one wing at a time and coat it well with the flour mixture and put it on the tray. Repeat this with the remaining wings. I've finished coating up all my wings. Now it's time to fry them. You will also need a baking tray lined with some paper towel to absorb any excess oil after frying our wings. To fry the wings, take a wok or fry pan, put it on medium heat, add some oil and heat it. When the oil gets hot, add about 5 or 6 chicken wings and cook it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn the pieces and cook them for further 3 minutes. Take them out, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this with the remaining wings. I have finished frying up all my chicken wings. Transfer the wings in a big dish and put it aside while we make the sauce. To make the buffalo sauce, take a saucepan, add chili sauce, chili powder, garlic powder and butter. Put it on low heat and bring it to a boil, stirring it continuously. When it starts to boil, turn the heat off and drizzle it all over the chicken wings and toss it to coat well. My buffalo chicken wings are ready. Enjoy. If you like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel.